Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny, and you're watching Dirty Off-Road. In today's episode, we're going to teach you how to put your Jeep in a four-wheel drive. And I know that sounds silly, but a lot of folks own Jeeps, and they've never had to put their Jeep in four-wheel drive because it never goes into the dirt or anywhere else. First things first, you're going to take the Jeep, put it in neutral. Once the Jeep's in neutral, you're going to grab your handle here. It says 2H and 4H. You want to go to 4 high. You're going to pull it. You can't be soft with it. Four-wheel drive's going to pop up right there. You're good to go. Keep in mind you're not supposed to drive if it's not wet or snow or mud or anything of that nature in four-wheel drive high. You're mainly going to use that if you can't get traction. Bottom line, if you can't get traction, you're in 4 high. If you're going into 4 low, it's pretty rough. You're not going to go over 25 miles an hour. Let me show you how to get into 4 low. Pretty simple. Still in neutral. You're going to put over to the right, pull down. It's going to blink neutral right here. Okay. Now you want to go to 4 low. Push it down. It's going to sound a little rough. 4 low pops up right here. And you're good to go. Now you can't be gentle with it. You have to really pull it in to 4 high, to neutral, and to 4 low. That's going to help you not destroy your transmission. So make sure you're in neutral. Let's go back up. Now let's do this one more time. Put your vehicle from park to neutral, 2 high. You hear that click? It's going to say 4-wheel drive there. Neutral, and then 4 low. You can feel it click in. And that's it. And then reverse the other way to get it out. Don't be gentle with it. Be a little rough. Be a little rough, you know? And that's it, guys. That's how to put your Jeep in the 4-wheel. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. More than happy to help. Talk to you soon. One last thing I want to mention. Even though you have 4-wheel drive, you're technically not in 4-wheel drive. If you have lockers and you can lock your front and rear axle, you're on 4-wheel drive. But without locking differentials, you're technically in 2-wheel drive, kinda.